So now that we have wrapped up our research and we've put in some videos and some pictures, some visuals, the last thing we're going to do is make sure that once again we give credit to where we did get our information. We're going to cite our sources, and specifically we're going to do a little slide that is your bibliography. Your bibliography is just going to be a list of the sources where you did get information and that you used. And so we did talk about this last week. Depending on the type of source, there's different ways of listing how that source is set up. So for a book, if you did a book like on Mayan, you could name the author of the book, the title of the book, and for this, you could also put the word Mayan in there if it's a book from Mayan. If it's an article from an encyclopedia or another reference book, once again, you get the title of the article or a chapter of it, and then what encyclopedia it is. If it's online database, just the title and what it is, and then online. And so even with this, you can do with Mayan, you could do the article, or in this case, the book. The Mayan is the resource, and you got it online if you wanted to do it that way. But really, more database is more for research and something that you would use. The next one would be if you are from a web page, you can see it listed there, what you would do and how you would add the URL web address at the end. If it's something that's an image, once again, if it's of a butterfly, it has listed here an example of how you would do this and use. So you'd say the creator of that image, whoever created it, whether it's a drawing or a picture, and then you're going to tell what it is. In this case, it's a butterfly, and list the website that you did get it from. Okay, and so as you think about how to cite, we talked about this some last week. Citing Social Studies Weeklies, you just name the article, whatever it is, in quotation marks. The online publication is Social Studies Weekly. The date, in this case, it's going to be week 18. They're not live and kept up each week. And then the title is on the home front, and you put online because you did get the online version of it. Same thing if you're citing Brain Pop, you would have the title. Okay, Hiroshima and Nagasaki. The Brain Pop name is the website, and then you put when did you view it. So once again, with a website, you want to list the date that it's viewed because it could potentially be changed or taken down. And so listing when you did get that information and what the web address is important. So all your bibliography slides going to be is something like this, where you're going to list your sources. Maybe you have a video, you have some articles from Social Studies Weekly, maybe you have a book from Mayan, maybe you did some outside research. Whatever it is, you're listing your sources here, and if you could do it in alphabetical order, whatever that first letter is of the title or the book or the resource, list that first. And so you're going to want to figure out what resources you use to put together and gather your information, and then list them in the bibliography at the end of your presentation today. Can't wait to read it.